Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your Discover card. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. If you are new to the channel, do subscribe us for more informative videos. Moving on to the video, open your browser and default search engine and search Discover card login and enter the first link or just go to portal.discover.com. It will then take you to the official site of Discover Consumer Bank. Then enter your user ID and password and press login. To make login easier for next time, you can click on Remember User ID, but I do not recommend it doing in a public computer. If you forget your user ID or password, you can reset it by clicking here. You can also activate your credit card from here and register your account by clicking here. This much for today's video. Comment down your thoughts on this video, and if you guys find our video helpful, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you guys next time. Bye bye.